Colors associated with each deity enhance the spiritual ambience, for example, red for Shailaputri, white for Brahmacharini, blue for Chandraghanta. These colors resonate with their divine energies, creating an environment ripe for transformation. Regional variations in rituals. Rituals vary by region but often include community gatherings filled with music, dance such as Garba, and cultural performances that celebrate unity among participants. Engaging in these festivities fosters a sense of belonging while honoring the strength of womanhood encapsulated by Goddess Durga. The culmination of Navratri, Durga Puja. The culmination of Navratri leads into Durga Puja, another important celebration showcasing Durga's victory over Mahishasura. This event features elaborate processions, artistic clay idols crafted by skilled artisans, and various offerings known as prasad. Such communal experiences deepen connections not only to one's cultural roots but also to one another. Invoking strength through celebration. Celebrating these festivals provides an opportunity for individuals to invoke the strength of Goddess Durga in their lives while embracing their own potential through her inspiring qualities. Understanding the significance behind each form brings forth valuable lessons applicable in daily life, encouraging personal growth amidst adversity. Experiencing the vibrant rituals and cultural extravaganza of Durga Puja. Durga Puja, a grand celebration honoring Goddess Durga, immerses communities in vibrant rituals and cultural expressions. This festival typically spans 4 days, showcasing elaborate ceremonies that emphasize devotion and unity. Key rituals include Bodhong, the invocation of Goddess Durga into the clay idol, marking her arrival to earth. Anjali, offering flowers and prayers, symbolizing gratitude and reverence towards the goddess. Sandhi Puja, a significant ritual performed at the juncture of the last day of Navratri and the first day of Durga Puja, invoking powerful energies. Visarjan, immersion ceremony, a poignant moment when the clay idols are immersed in water, signifying a return to her celestial abode after blessing her disciples. The artistry behind the clay idols of Durga is remarkable. Local artisans meticulously craft these figures, pouring creativity and devotion into every detail. Each idol reflects unique styles and interpretations, representing various aspects of Goddess Durga's divine qualities. Community celebrations during Durga Puja foster a sense of belonging and shared identity. Streets adorned with colorful decorations come alive with music, dance, and cultural performances, celebrating different forms of the goddess. The festival transcends mere religious observance. It becomes a celebration of life, heritage, and togetherness. Invoking the spirit